So factoring out a monomial from a polynomial, what Alex is going to want us to do is to factor out or divide by the largest number, they're the greatest common factor of the numbers, and the largest degree of the variable. And so when we see that b there on the 9b, we can consider that to have a degree of 1 or an exponent of 1. And so the largest number of b's that they both have is 1. And the largest or the greatest common factor of 9 and 6 is 3. So if I was to factor out or divide a 3 out, I would also need to take 1b because they both have a b. And that would leave me with 3, because 9b divided by 3b is going to give me 9 divided by 3 is 3. And I factored the b out. So 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. B to the power of 3 divided by b is going to leave me with b to the power of 2. Okay, and we'll try another. We have a 15a, and again that a has an exponent of 1, minus 6a to the power of 2. And so in terms of the number, the greatest common factor here is going to be 3. And the largest number of a's that they both have is 1, so we're going to factor out 1a. 15 divided by 3 is 5. A divided by a is just 1, and so there's no more there. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. A to the power of 2 divided by a is leaving us with 1a. So 3a minus 5, or times 5 minus 2a. Okay. And here we have one that does not have an exponent of 1 on the a, which is nice. Oops. So we have a 9a to the power of 2 minus 13a to the power of 3. And so the number side of it, there's going to be no number that goes into both 9 and 13 because 13 is prime. And so the only thing that we can factor out is an a. And so to figure out how many a's we can factor out, we look at how many they each have. The 9a to the power of 2 has 2 a's. The 13a to the power of 3 has 3. We can only take out 2 because they both have at least 2. So a to the power of 2 is going to leave us with 9a. 13a to the power of 3 with no a's on the 9 because it had 2 and we took them both out. Minus 13 and then a to the power of 3. If we take 2 a's away or divide 2 a's out, that leaves us with 1a. Okay, moving on. I'm going to try another one and try to get a specific type that I haven't shown yet. All right, here we go. So 8w to the power of 3 minus 20w to the power of 2. And in this case, we do have a number that goes into both of them. The greatest common factor is going to be 4. And then we need to figure out how many w's we can factor out. So this has 3 w's, this has 2. They both have up to 2, so we can take 2 out. So 4w to the power of 2. 8 divided by 4 is going to leave us with 2. W to the power of 3 divided by w to the power of 2 is going to leave us with 1w. And 20 divided by 4 is going to make 5. W to the power of 2 divided by w to the power of 2 is going to leave no w's. So we're going to have 4w squared times 2w minus 5.